The Recoil Starter is a quick and easy way to fix a worn or damaged starter. The starter assembly includes the parts that commonly wear out, such as the starter spring, rope, pulley, and hub. Replacing the Recoil Starter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the recoil starter from the engine. Now I can install the new starter. I'll line the starter with the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the recoil starter on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.